In this video, I'll show you how to fix high memory usage. Now this is really simple, guys, so let's get straight into it. First, what you want to do is simply open up the task manager. Come in here and then go to processes, and from in here click on memory to sort by memory. Now in this case you can see my Google Chrome is using way too much compared to everything else. Simply click on it and task. You can also do it with the CapCut, Discord, whatever you want, and make sure you close them down. Now another thing you can do is head over to the startup right here and then disable the ones that you don't need. So let's say you never use Epic Games, you can just disable it or uninstall it and make sure you get rid of them. Now the last thing you can do is simply come down here and search for run. In here you want to type in sysdm.cpl, press OK, open up this one, press on advanced, go to settings under performance, and in here you can disable the ones you don't need or simply click adjust for best performance. Now all of these will reduce your RAM, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.